Hello and welcome student. In the last lecture we have studied the single fixed pulley. Today we will discuss the topic single movable pulley. So what happened in single fixed pulley? What we have discussed that this is a support and this is the pulley attached to it. Okay, this is the single fixed pulley. In one point there is a load and here we are just applying our effort. Okay, so this is the tension. Sorry, load is in this direction, tension in opposite direction. Here again tension, this is effort. Okay, we can recall it where load equal to tension, effort equal to tension, mechanical advantage equal to load upon effort, that is equal to T upon T, that is equal to 1. Mechanical advantage equal to 1, velocity ratio again equal to 1, distance will equal to efficiency not, but velocity ratio will not equal to 1, efficiency not equal to 100%. You can all recall this. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed all these things. Now in this lecture we will study the single movable pulley. So single movable pulley, suppose this is the rigid support from where one end is fixed and this is the pulley which is attached to a load and this is the other portion that is from where the effort is applied. Okay, from where the effort is applied. You can notice that this load is balanced by two tension, this tension and this tension. Okay, and this effort is equal to the tension. Please remember, please note down it. This load is balanced. Suppose this is the load, suppose this is the tension, this is the tension, this is the tension, this is the load. So what happens in the balance condition? This load is balanced by these two tension. Load equal to T plus T. And here simply effort is applied which is balanced only by the tension. So what we can say, load is equal to 2 tension, effort is only equal to tension. So mechanical advantage equal to load upon effort. We know very well mechanical advantage equal to load upon effort, that is equal to 2T upon T, that is equal to 2. So here mechanical advantage is greater than 1. Now we will calculate what is the value for the velocity ratio. So when a free end of the string is pulled up, अगर आप इसको ऊपर खींचेंगे by the effort through a distance d, suppose it is pulled up through a distance d, the load is raised up to the distance d by 2. If we raise this portion to a distance d, so this load will be stretched up only to the distance d by 2. The reason is very important. The reason is that the segment of the string on the both side of the pulley move by the distance d by 2. क्योंकि अगर हम यहाँ पे एफर्ट d लगाएंगे तो हमारे दोनों वो एफर्ट हमारा दोनों सेगमेंट पे आधा आधा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे d लगाया, लोड d लगाएगा, तो यहाँ पर दोनों का हमारा डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, d by 2, तो लोड भी हमारा कितना मूव करेगा, d by 2. सो इसको आपको याद करना है, इस पॉइंट को याद करना है. तो यहाँ पर वेलोसिटी रेशियो की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, d by 2. वेलोसिटी रेशियो क्या आ जाएगी, d by 2. ओके, वेलोसिटी रेशियो इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, डिस्टेंस मूव बाय द एफर्ट टू द डिस्टेंस मूव बाय लोड, दैट इज इक्वल टू सॉरी, यहाँ पे एफर्ट की डिस्टेंस कितनी है, d, और ये क्या हो जाएगा, d by 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी रेशियो, वैल्यू फॉर द वेलोसिटी रेशियो इक्वल टू 2. ओके, now the efficiency equal to mechanical advantage, efficiency equal to mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio, that is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio into 100. So this efficiency must equal to 100%, but actually it is not possible, because what is the problem why efficiency is not equal to 100%? The problem is very simple, that there is a friction between bearing and string and in axle, due to which mechanical advantage will be greater than 2. Practically mechanical advantage is greater than 2 while the velocity ratio equal to 2. That's why the efficiency will not come to the 100%. So this is the case of a single movable pulley. We can compare also what do you mean by single movable pulley and single fixed pulley. So we can compare single fixed and single movable. So here mechanical advantage equal to 1, here mechanical advantage equal to 2, velocity ratio equal to 1, velocity ratio equal to 2. efficiency equal to 100%, efficiency again है equal to 100%, ठीक है। तो ये दोनों के बीच में कंपैरिजन, दिस इज अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द सिंगल फिक्स पुली एंड सिंगल मूव पुली। हियर मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज equal to 1, okay, here equal to 2, okay। So we can assume the case here effort is used to change the direction, here is effort is used to change the direction only, okay। So this is the way you need to proceed in a single fixed pulley and single movable pulley. In the next lecture we will discuss what is the system of different pulley attached within the single movable pulley, what happened, what are the cases, or and we will also study the block and tackle system. So this we will cover in the next lecture, and after that this our complete chapter of this machine will be completed and the numerical will be solved, okay। So you just try to solve the numerical in a exercise of third is very simple questions are there, and you just complete third A and third B. For the most of the question we will try to solve over here itself. So okay, that's all for today. Now we'll continue our next section in the next class.